All right, guys, we are here at the brand new SpringHill Suites in Cocoa Beach. And I gotta tell you, first glance, it's beautiful. It's amazing. Let's take you inside. Place out, guys. It is amazing. Look, they got a fire pit table over there. They've got some seating, this awesome bar, and check out this pool. I love it. Plenty of loungers. Looks like it's 3 foot and 5 foot. Let's see if it's heated. Oh, it's warm. I highly recommend this hotel, 10 out of 10. I can't wait to show you guys my room. Hey Cusies, I am at the new SpringHill Suites by Marriott in Cocoa Beach. And I wanted to give you a quick tour of my room. I had a sneak peek and it's absolutely fabulous. So let's go check it out. Okay, room 409. Let's take a peek. Oh, wow. Okay, let me try to close the door without slamming it. So that's a really nice size couch. It's a nice deep couch. You could sleep on. I'm only 5'4". I could totally sleep on that couch. Love the decor in here. It's got a nice TV right there on a swivel. I love this. This I thought was really cool. So if you have someone that likes to sleep in like me, and then you have an early riser like Bob, and he wanted to get some work done, he could sit here. And these actually open and close. These little privacy glasses. So I like that. I think that's cool. Nice little touch. But let's back up a quick second and go back to the coffee bar when you first enter the room. I think that's great. Just a quick peek at the coffee. It looks like they have dark roast, decaffeinated, and regular. And then they've got, you know, your powdered, your sugar and your powder. And here they have a microwave for you and a refrigerator. Now, as you remember, earlier when I was recording, they had all that food down in the pantry that you could microwave if you didn't have a car or were in a hurry. So there was that. Now here are 2 huge king beds. Usually you get 2 queens or 2 doubles. I think that's fantastic. I love that. Okay, now on this side of the room, I'm noticing that there's a pocket door here, a pocket door here, and another door down there. So I'm thinking that this is one of those rooms that have a split bathroom. So let's see if I'm right. Okay, slide the door open, and yes. So there's your toilet, there's your sink. Hello, there's your lip mirror. I love the lip mirrors for putting on your makeup. Fantastic. All right, let's go see what's behind the other door. There's another nice size TV, and this one swings this way. And there you have it. Nice shower, nice size shower. And it looks like they give you some shampoo, conditioner, and body wash as well. So that's nice. And then there's your towels, your hair dryer, another beautiful lit mirror. There's your hair dryer. And it looks like, what do they have there? Some conditioner, which I think is probably, I don't know if that's extra conditioner. And some body lotion. And they gave him makeup wipes. Hey, that's pretty cool. I like that touch. That's cool. All right, so moving on. Let's see what's behind that third door. Oh, wow. That's a nice walk-in closet. That's awesome. And there's a couple shelves. That's great. And an iron and an ironing board. You could just do it right there in the closet. That's awesome. I love that. And then they have a full-length mirror. Hello again. And I wanted to show you the view earlier, but I had to go meet some friends for dinner, so I will show you the view tomorrow. I just wanted to mention one other thing. You saw me use the key card to get in, but this room does have the mobile key in the app, and I'll show you how to use that here. Okay, so here's the view from my room. It's beautiful. Can't see the cruise port from here, but that's okay. Good morning. Surprisingly, I slept really well last night. The beds were super comfortable. The room was nice and cold like I like it. I just grabbed the blankets from the other bed and threw them on top of my bed so that I had that extra fluff that I love. And I'm ready to go. I just grabbed a little breakfast and I got an English muffin and I just threw some scrambled eggs on top. I usually put some shredded cheese on, but they didn't have any. But that's fine. I don't need it. And I'm going to check out. So hope you enjoyed this video, guys. So that's it for this room tour. If you like this video, please consider hitting that thumbs up button. And if you're new here, welcome. Consider subscribing. Till next time.